Hi guys, Barnes here, and today I will show you the Fakie heel. This skate park was my local for the last 2 weeks, so I did a couple of Fakie heels just for you guys. Fakie heel flip is a cool trick, and lately you didn't see that much because everyone is doing nollie heels, so learn it and you can use it in a game of skate. For this trick you need to know how to fakie ollie and maybe heel flips, but some people learn things fakie first, so it's up to you, but it wouldn't hurt to know how to heel flip. So we are rolling fakie, so our foot placement for the fakie heel, for me personally, front foot on the tail, bit on the heel side bucket, and the back foot on the bolts with a slight angle. I don't hang my back foot out, but it's a personal preference. Try a couple of fakie heels and you will see which position you prefer with your back foot. So as you're rolling fakie, try to have a quick snap or a quick fakie ollie, and with your back foot, kick out diagonally and aim for the little pocket where your nose kind of starts, and do a quick heel flip and then pull back your back foot quickly. Try to do a minimal quick with the heel and have a good fakie ollie, because the board is kind of follows you as you go in fakie, and with just a bit of touch you can get a nice fakie heel flip rotation as long as you have a good fakie ollie. Make sure you jump and suck your feet up, because as I said, the fakie heel kind of automatically follows you, so you have a better chances to catch it in that way. Look down on your board, and when you see your board did the rotation, stop it with your back foot, or ideally with both foot, then roll away. My shoulder is straight and my body centered with the board. And a quick survival tip: make sure when you jump and you don't land your fakie heel, with your front foot land behind the board or at the front, but never put your foot in front of the tail, because then the board goes straight into your ankle and that's going to hurt for sure. When you landed a couple on the flat, try it on the bank and enjoy some more to make it perfect as possible, and hopefully you will perfect this trick in no time and you will land it most of the time. So that's about it. Hopefully you got some tips to your fakie heel. Make sure you practice your fakie heel, and if you still need help you can leave your comments and I will get back to you. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always the most important is to go skate and have fun.